गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। सर्वप्रथम जिन्होंने मुझे बनाया और जो बनाने वाले हैं ऐसे महान छवियों को मेरा सप्रेम जय गुरुदेव और शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। Friends, the basic motive of this video is to enlighten the message which must be important as well as needs to know for all of us in today's society. Now, the question is arising here, what kind of message? So, this message is all for one of that student who is being responsible as a individual. हालांकि इस प्रदर्शन से डेडिकेशन नामक ऐसे जटिल शब्द का कोई मूल्यांकन नहीं किया जा सकता, क्योंकि हमारा हर एक वो लम्हा, चाहे वो सफलता के प्रति हो या फिर निराशामय हो, उनके लिए समर्पण के समान ही होता है। वेट नाउ जस्ट आस्क योरसेल्फ दैट व्हाई वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग और विशिंग हैप्पी टीचर्स डे। A lot of the peoples having the common answer that on 5th of September it has marked the birth anniversary of one of the second president of India, late Padma Shri Dr. Radhakrishna Sarvapalli. From that period, their students celebrated this day and described as a National Teachers Day. We also know this thing. Just imagine, from our childhood to the peak of this growing nature, in our school times, we used to take the autographs of those boys and girls who were playing the characters of teachers. For example, Hindi teacher, maths teacher, English teacher, etc. etc. There is no value for nothing. There is no value for nothing. There is no value for nothing. Why I am repeating this sentence again and again? This is the very shame thing for all of us while we are disrespecting the values of wisdom in that personality. Nowadays, this is the trend. We are just pretending ourselves that we are the one who is absolutely correct, that we are the one who have the power of everything. But yes, I believe that. Not only me, but we all want to believe that. Because of them, we are here right now. No matters where we are, where we want to go. It's all about the personal opinions. But yes, that respective behavior matters. ऐसा कहते हैं, अगर आपको आपकी बात रखने का अवसर प्राप्त हो तो भीतर छुपी बात कह देना चाहिए. Due to some of the unfamiliar reasons, हूबहू कभी बातचीत तो नहीं हो पाई, स्वयं से कहता रहा, आज नहीं, कल नहीं, कभी तो करूंगा बात, लेकिन आज तक वह दिन कभी नहीं आया. But let's hope so that if that personality watching this video, then I am the luckiest person. I am not saying on the earth, don't worry. But yes, of course, right now here. बहुत खूब कहा है किसी ने, सुनिए अच्छे से. There are no ages for those personalities who creates the bond of integrity towards the unity, the bond of learning towards the positive approach. At the last, but not least, common, the bond of responsibilities towards that personality which makes us responsible. Sometimes it's dedication, maybe the part of gratitude towards someone else, our regrets, and yes, the feeling of thankfulness. Just think about it. धन्यवाद.